What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 10 makeup hacks, the ultimate makeup hacks that everybody should be using in 2018. Everything I'm going to be using in this video, it will be linked in the description below. And I really hope you guys take these tips to use, and let's get started. So number one is going to be an eyebrow hack, you guys. What you're going to want to do is take a concealer that's as close to your skin tone as possible and use that color instead of the lighter color to highlight the top of your brows. What this is going to do is make your brows look a lot more natural and make it look like you didn't fill them in at all. For hack number two, what you're going to want to do is take the concealer you used to clean up the bottom of your eyebrows and take that over your eyelids. What this is going to do is clean up the bottom of your brows and give you a quick eyeshadow primer all in the same step. For hack number three, you can take any translucent powder and just apply that underneath your eyes. This will catch any fallout you may have while you're doing your eyeshadow. For hack number four, we will not be using brushes to apply our eyeshadow, but instead we're going to be using Q-tips. And what this is going to do is hold a lot of the product, so it's not going to soak any up, and you will get much more precise lines by applying your eyeshadow with a Q-tip instead of brushes. And now after you dust off that translucent powder, you have great eyeshadow with no fallout. Hack number five is going to be for your foundation. What you always want to do is apply the foundation to the center of your face and blend outward. When you do this, you'll prevent yourself from having that line on the side of your jaw that makes it look like your foundation isn't blended evenly. See, no harsh lines. For number six, you can take the residue that's left from your foundation and apply that over your lips so you'll have an even base for your lip color. Number seven is going to be a highlight and contouring hack. What you're going to want to do is take your highlight color and apply that as close to the sides of your nose as possible. And you're also going to do the same thing with your powder. And after you wipe away the powder and add a little bit of a highlight, it'll look like your nose has already been contoured when you actually haven't contoured your nose at all. For hack number 8, you can add a little bit of a highlight to your brow bone just to give you a natural facelift. Hack number 9 is to never pump your mascara inside of the canister. That will dry it out. Always twirl the wand inside of the canister to get out all the product that you need. For hack number 10, you can take some old or unused eyeshadow along with some petroleum jelly on a paper plate and just mix it a little together until it looks something like this. And in seconds, you've created your own DIY lip gloss. And those are my 10 makeup hacks, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like button, comment, and subscribe for more. See you guys soon.